this year, 24, is a step of industrialization. Standing outside in weather and wind and it's not rusting, yeah? So this is quite an achievement.
On October 16th, Helicus Academy organized its 5th consecutive annual alumni gathering. The event took place at the Antwerp HQ, overlooking the city with a beautiful river view. It brings together an amazing group of people with a strong connection to the company, its innovative drive, and an enthusiasm to improve the world. This evening was more than just a reunion of Master and Doctoral students with their professors who collaborated for research and thesis during internships with Helicus. Every year, it served as a unique opportunity to stay in touch, exchange ideas, knowledge, and even just positivity to shape the future of our society. Helicus actively supports this initiative, creating an environment where young professionals and their old and new mentors can meet, reminisce, and co-create. In a relaxed yet inspiring atmosphere, discussions about past achievements alternate with outlooks on a promising future. These get-togethers fuel innovation and act as a catalyst for progress in fields such as unmanned systems, logistics, healthcare, and urban mobility. Every year, Helicus continues to support its former and current interns, but also fosters opportunities for their professional growth. As is often the case, this year, 2 master graduates joined the company from business economics and from product development. The participants typically come from a diverse range of fields, including various engineering orientations, electromechanics, electronics, aeronautics, computer sciences, transport, economics, business engineering, law, architecture, and product development. This multidisciplinary group composition reflects the typical collaboration and idea exchange at Helicus. In an environment of different but like-minded professionals, new ideas are born that find their way into real-world applications. We pride ourselves on providing excellent support for the exciting topics that we support research on. Last year, 10 students did their master's study at Helicus. For the academic year 2024-2025, 8 have started. Much success to the participants. A highlight of this edition was the recently launched Helicus Drone Cargo Port, DCP. This revolutionary system automates drone ground handling and enables rapid drone deployment. It seamlessly connects drone transport to pneumatic tube building logistics. It is ideal to support rapid ad hoc deliveries. Helicus is proud of its contribution to the future of technology and is always open to new ideas and partnerships. If you are interested in collaborating or becoming part of this dynamic community, we would be happy to connect with you.